morning, Nicole. How are you, man? How's Vodafone?
Oh, we're doing good.
What's
Very
my
well.
smell at the moment, Nicole?
What's been happening at Vodafone? Anything new?
Yes, so we've got specials going on right now.
Of course, I always want to listen to these specials. Life.
Yeah, so we've got the Black View going for just 199 tala.
Black View. It's a phone.
Yeah, it's a phone. It's a Black View Wave 8C. If you look at it from its back cover, backside, it looks like an iPhone 13, 14.
Oh.
So,
But like a fraction of the cost.
Yeah.
Okay. So Black View is how much?
199. It used to be
199.
249.
See, my come as a spare phone. Can we don't
Can
get
you
phone?
roll it?
Yeah.
That's right.
Or you have a friend come into town.
Yeah. Actually, I might get it just to hire out.
Yeah, well, yeah, that's really
That's
good.
a good
And
hire
then-
a phone.
Yeah, that's a good business, Life.
So that one is going for as low as, it used to be 249, but now it's just 199
okay.
tala.
All right. Other
yeah.
phones that you have in your stock?
And our entry level Samsung is our Samsung Galaxy A07. So that one is used to be 349 down to 299, and we've gone lower to 269. 269
Okay.
for Samsung Galaxy A07.
Wow, that's good, huh? That's
Yeah.
cheap. Okay. What else?
So we've also got our A series in stock. We've got our A06 5G, our A16, A17, A26, A36.
Okay.
So we've got all those handsets in stock.
Okay. How about any routers? Somebody's texted up if you have any routers, 5G routers.
Yes, we do. We have 4G and we also have 5G routers in stock.
Which one would you take, Life? The 5 or the 4?
The 5G.
Okay.
The 5G, okay, yeah. So because it caters really good internet speed, so the 5G router is going for as low as 499 tala and 599 tala. So those are the two 5G routers that we have in stock. We've also got our 4G router. So 4G router is just 199. Same price as our MiFi, 199. And it's running out fast.
So, I was just looking. Somebody messaged about your roaming. How do people sign up for roaming?
Well, for roaming right now,
When did you stop that?
no, it's under review for a new plan.
Oh.
So yeah.
So right now there's no roaming.
Yeah, there's no roaming right now. It's under review from the marketing side and Rebecca.
Okay, yeah,
So
yeah,
yes.
yeah. Because you need to have roaming, huh?
Yeah,
Because the last thing we want is to go to New Zealand and stand in
And-
line to get a SIM card.
yeah. So yeah, not to worry.
Oh, you were the one, Lifey. You were the one that says Vodafone has eSIMs.
Yeah, she's the one who put the eSIM.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Just don't need
So how do you get an eSIM?
So you just come in, and if your phone is eSIM capable, then you can get an eSIM. Even if
Without-
you have,
What if I
like,
don't want to come in? I just want to do it online.
well, you can purchase one online, but if you want your existing number, then you need to come into one of our retail outlets.
That you have to.
Yeah. So
You
he
know-
came in and
Yeah, I came in and I don't need
I
a
hooked him
SIM
up.
card anymore. So when I come, now I've got a question for that though. Was it yesterday? The day before? Something happened when I was talking on the phone. Who I was talking to, and then there was somebody saying something through our conversation.
Oh, you heard somebody else.
Yes.
And?
And I was like, what's going on? And then I was thinking about what, you know how like they have all the system now as you don't need my information anymore because of this. Now it's electronic. So that could be the issue.
no.
And first up, Life, she's not a technical person.
Yeah.
She's handsets and all
Yeah,
merchandise.
just handsets.
Taylor, you should.
There's a number that you can call.
Yeah, you can call into 67121.
I don't call anybody.
67121.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Let's do this, and then we'll come back and have some questions. All right. Give away 10
Okay.
people, right?
Yeah, so we're giving away 10 tala to 10 lucky people.
All right. 10 questions coming up, people. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to win with Vodafone.
Yay! Question number 1 is, How much is the cheapest 5G router?
How much is the cheapest 5G router? Hello, morning.
Good morning.
Yep.
It's 499 tala.
499 tala.
Yeah, that's correct.
Congratulations. All right, what's your number?
Ituli maiva. Toluvalu o no.
Tolvalu or no. Okay. Baftai. All right, so that's question number 1. Question number 2.
How much is our Samsung Galaxy A07?
How much is this Galaxy A07? Hello?
Yeah,
Yeah, talofa.
yeah.
Olal tali. Mga mga yan, falong ulong mo facility. Vidi may dola iya. Okay?
How much is the Samsung Galaxy A07?
Hello?
Alesego.
Yeah. Tali facility?
Ilo sila unos fruiva tala.
Lua selau onos fulwiva tala.
Sa olile.
Yeah, la numera.
Ne fitu ono dimo. Fitu tolu otas.
Pitu tolu o tasi. Okay. Okay, thank you very much.
Yeah, Manuela.
Yeah, okay, Faftai, thank you for being excited and winning, yeah. People just like, you know. You see you're really happy, yeah. All
Yeah.
right. Hello, morning.
Hello?
Yeah, talofa.
Yeah.
Okay, Lalta Vasili.
Okay, if you're a black view, wave 9C.
199.
199 tala. Okay, what's your number?
Fitulima lima ono lua fitulima.
Pituli Malima Onolua.
Ono lua fitulima.
Okay.
Okay, first that.
Yeah, Manuia.
Yes.
Question number 4.
Okay, question number 4.
How much is the 4G router?
Okay, hello, morning.
Alesego fionga.
Yeah, talofa.
Isela wiva iva tala.
Selawi Vaiva.
Sa ole.
Okay, la numera.
Fitu ono tasi fitu fato wad.
Pitufato Valu. Okay. Wamatayao.
Manuia vane sa mga fionga.
Kileao Malaso.
Ne yu ka were ev kamikia o.
Wow, yeah, the leko fia fanao.
Tolua.
So lua, Maria. Lucky, kelakla, ya, o, we fa. Fa, fia, oe, Nico.
Wa we lua.
Lua, oe. Fia, lo fanao, life.
Kokele.
Okay. Yeah, Manuia Lasso.
Manuia tele tawaso.
Tai. Okay, that's it for now. Or you want to do one more?
Yeah, one more.
One more, okay.
How much is the 4G MiFi, the Pocket MiFi?
Hello, morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, go ahead.
It's 199 tala.
199. Okay, what's your number?
761 4708.
4708. Okay, Fafitai.
Okay.
Man. Oh,
That was quick. Yeah.
These people
Are
do
they
their
sitting
homework.
on the phone?
No, okay.
Yeah.
Sorry, person calling. We're going to take a break. We'll give away another 5 soon, okay? So keep listening for your cue to call. All right.
S25.
That's
Your
25.
favorite.
Oh, yeah. That's 25. I got the 24. Then now there's a 26 out, right?
Coming
No?
soon.
Coming soon. So the 25 is how much now?
4,429. That's for the Ultra.
4,029
429.
tala. Okay, the Ultra. Oh,
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So we've got that in stock. We've also got our iPhone. The iPhone 17.
Life, your favorite.
Your favorite. So iPhone 17, 17 Air, 17 Pro, 17 Pro Max.
Which one would you take?
The Pro, man.
Yeah.
Of course you're going to want the business class phone. And how much is that?
So that one is 5,499 tala.
5,499 tala. Okay.
If you ask me if I would choose two things, the phone or the golf set,
Okay, Life, let me ask you that question. For 5,499, would you take the phone or golf set?
The phone.
Yeah.
Ooh, good
Right,
choice.
yeah,
good
good
pick.
Phone.
What color would you like? Let's say, for example, I'm paying for it. What color would you like?
Oh, okay.
There's a few colors, right?
There's blue.
Gold.
There's
You have a gold?
orange.
Phạ lông ngủ say
There's blue,
Blue,
orange,
orange.
silver, and white.
silver and white. Blue, orange, silver, or white one. Which one would you like, Life?
Orange.
Yeah, that would be my pick too.
Orange?
Yeah. Because it's bright. You can find it.
That's right, it'll look different from everybody
Yeah.
else's phone.
That's right. Because everybody goes for the black color.
Or the
But
white.
they always lose. You always lose the phone. But if you get the orange, you know, it's bright, just like I say, it's bright. Oh,
Like your eyes, huh?
yeah, like my
Orange.
eyes are. Oh,
No, your eyes are green.
yeah, pussycat.
Okay, let me ask you a question. Okay, so anything else you want to add to this before we go into... This is called the friendship shelf theory. Never heard of that? See, I never did too, until I read it. So the friendship shelf theory, you know, like in bookshelves?
Yeah.
Basically, you imagine your social circle like books on a shelf.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh.
Well,
Shelf.
it just has 3. And you have 5 levels.
I have 5 levels.
Okay. Well, let's listen to the Palangi's version, huh? So the top shelf of the bookshelf holds the people that you're closest to. The ones who are always there for you, support you, and enrich your life. So that's the top shelf. I know you're thinking of some friends to put there, huh? Maybe some family members and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah. Lifey, who would be on your top shelf?
Who in my top shelf? It'll be like, you'll be you. You'll be Corey.
Oh, thank you very much, Life. Oh, perfect guy. Okay, and who
Yeah.
else?
Who else will be my top shelf? It'd be like somebody that gives me, you know, money.
Okay, like who? Just 2 other names. Hurry up.
2 other names.
I know you have a lot of best friends because I'm in that list.
Yeah, you're in that list. It'll be
William.
Lei.
Pick the one who shoves the most.
Yeah, put some names.
I don't know who your friends are. I mean,
Oh, what's his name?
Pravish,
Yeah, Carlos.
Carlos.
Yeah, Carlos.
Wella.
Wella. Yeah.
So that's 3.
That's three. Lavanga top.
So then go
top
what's
friend.
that? More than a
Yeah,
bro.
oya sa mo lang eh.
The middle shelf are your good friends. These are the friends you enjoy, but may not rely on as deeply. These are the second shelf. And the lower shelf, of course, are the casual ones. The ones that you can sometimes see
Yeah,
at a
just
party
say,
or something. You go,
yeah.
hey, man,
Hello.
long time no
Yeah.
see.
Yeah. Hello.
Or in more situational connections. So that's your 3 shelves. Okay. And health and wellness coach Megan Mitchell says this framework also helps manage your expectations on people. That alignment actually creates more compassion because you stop expecting people to show up in ways they're not able to, and you stop overextending yourself in return. So that way you don't overextend yourself because
Yeah.
they're not on the top shelf, huh? Make sense?
Yeah, fair enough. Yeah.
Also, a new wave of research argues that ultra-processed foods. I saw that one about Saimingi you sent through.
I think that's true. Yeah.
Man, Saimingi is really bad for you.
Oh, I think the doctors were always advising us not to eat so much of saimingi because it's not really good.
No. Do
Well-
your research.
Well, when I send them the actual actual science finding of the,
Yeah.
it was shocking for me to experience that. I was like,
What's the name of the guy that did the interview? Joe Rogan? Or was
yeah,
it-
Joe Rogan.
Rogan.
Joe Rogan, and he's like the famous podcast in the world. But
They're engineered like cigarettes.
yes,
That you hooked.
Yeah.
Scientists from Harvard, Duke, and University of Michigan say these foods are intentionally designed to be rewarding and hard to stop eating. They use additives, flavor tweaks, and fast-acting ingredients that hit the brain's pleasure centers quickly. Yeah.
Yeah,
Basically, the research also believe these ultra-processed foods should be treated more like cigarettes.
yeah, it is, and that's why JF Kennedy is actually stopping all of the process into the schools.
Kenny, that's that guy that's in
The-
the Trump government?
Yeah, yeah,
The guy
the-
that,
yeah.
That guy talks like that?
Yes. So basically, he's now blocking all of the processed companies who are making all the sweets, breakfast cereals for kids. So that's the biggest downfall of all of this, which is we should adapt that as well, especially the saimingi as well.
So cereal and saimini.
Yes, all the breakfast cereals, all the breakfast.
Okay,
cereals.
stand by. We're going to roll through. Let's do a song, huh? Let's do a song, and then after that, we'll come back and have for you your last and final questions. All right, our final questions, Nicole.
Okay.
5 more.
I talked about the 4 types of iPhones. iPhone 17.
4 types of iPhones. Yeah, okay.
So there's iPhone 17,
Yeah.
iPhone 17 Pro Max. Give me the other 2.
Name the other 2 iPhones. Hello, morning.
Morning. You have iPhone 17 Air and iPhone 17 Pro.
Pro.
Yes.
Okay.
Sa holiday.
All right, man. What sort of phone do you use, young lady?
iPhone, that's a 13 Pro Max.
You use an iPhone 13 Pro Max. You
Yeah.
need an upgrade. But they know these guys have a financing deal.
We got a financing option.
Okay, let's just get your number so you can go and we'll talk about the financing next. Hello, morning, go. What's your number?
765
765
2503.
2503. Okay. Thank you. All right, for those of us that do not have enough money to buy a phone,
Yeah.
fine it. You know, I applied for financing once in New Zealand, and I tried to get it, and they declined me.
Will.
Because I don't work there.
Oh yeah.
They need to prove that you actually earn
You
money.
should have used
Yeah.
my name or my number, my social
Yeah, I
security.
would have had a
Kiri
search
lang ako,
warrant.
loko.
Okay. Yeah. So yeah, man. So getting financing here is a lot easier. You know.
Yeah, so you pay in installments, like it's either weekly, fortnightly, or monthly, depending on how you're paid. So we just need a couple of requirements from you. So you need to bring in your confirmation letter, your 2 recent pay slips, your 2 valid ID, and of course a 3 months bank statement and a guarantor. So that's all we need from you
Okay.
to bring in.
All right. So there you go, life. You can get one, and I'll guarantee it. And you can run away, and then I'm stuck.
Can you be the?
Charlie, I want to send out a big good morning to our cafes and restaurants. Those of you that are looking for a place to get some coffee, maybe some quick, get a quick bite. You get Coffee Roaster 1, it's waffle 4, and Tamaringi. Coffee Roaster 1 and 2. Remember the Tamaringi branch is open on Sundays, life. 6 a.m. to 12 noon. Then you got Pickled Lamb Daily and Eatery. They don't close until 4 in the afternoon. They only open Monday to Fridays, and they close on Saturdays and Sundays. You got Tijuana's Cafe up at Vailima. Try their supo. Good morning, busy traffic.
I
Going from
know.
Vodafone, you just go straight up.
Yeah.
Yeah. Have you tried their spam and eggs?
Oh, I have. It's like really nice.
Yeah, well, have you tried it?
I would go
haven't tried
again.
it.
No, you haven't tried it?
No, unless they invited me, I'll come.
For free tasting.
Of course. That's why I say, like, whoever invites me, I'll come and then I'll share it.
Then you got Coffee House at Vaitele, and just a road from Coffee House is Kang Noodles. Yeah. Sivafi now serving their hot soup.
Nice.
It's ready to go. Super Povi. All right, our 6th question.
How much is the iPhone 17 Pro Max?
How much? Hello?
Salo Falafionga.
Yeah. Talia Fasili?
Elima se fase la wiva iva.
Lima fe facile saoli.
Yeah.
All right, congratulations. What's your number?
Le situ tafiono. Ono fatolu lima.
Ono fa tolu lima. La telefonina fa ngata wa?
Le 807.
807. Give it kau 807 na wo ya.
269.
Yeah.
It's on special right now.
Luo no I vai fiat kau fa kau look it for me.
E afe.
Oi nga mo fu mai no po.
Oi.
Ai la.
Kei rola, alula koe pake ki e lau rwa e phone le, oi lo.
Yeah, okay.
Faf tai.
That's right.
All right, so we got a few more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got 3 more.
I mentioned 4 colors for the iPhone that we've got. Name 2.
Okay. Hello.
2 color.
Hello. Yeah.
There's black and white.
There's black and white.
There's black, there's white.
Mau koe sui me lau kali. O le black and white po black and white. Ese lango ke le phone. Ese. E kama lango luli e mar ke le phone i lang pai pai. Sao na? Okay.
Ne e kasi ngai sa o kasi sese.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh,
Sorry, eh?
Yeah.
Ja, det er se na. Level top, Silly.
I mentioned 4 colors. E fa lang.
Fa lang.
So name just 2 of the 4 that I mentioned for the colors that we've got in stock.
Okay. Hello. Morning.
Yeah, good morning. Good
Hey,
morning.
good morning, Jamu. How you doing, man?
Vodafone. Okay, the famous orange and silver.
Orange and silver. Yeah. See, you got lucky. You guessed that. You know the orange because that's what life wanted. So.
Tell it.
Yeah, it's like, yeah.
Yeah, you have to pay, you have to charge me breakfast or lunch. Oi lo.
Nani o kele aku dit kau olo mele malo. Kau mau dia. Jamu level Jamu Mira.
Thank you, T. Yeah, God bless.
What's your number, William?
765-9219.
765-9219.
Yes.
Okay, Jamu, wa matao.
Yeah, well, getting for second period of the day here at St. Mary's College. Yeah.
You feel?
Oi fa ya o nga jamu.
Yeah, of course.
Oh, you got vidi mai la ya la
No, I have free period now. Yeah, get ready for second period.
Jamu.
Oi jamu e nge ke kuli lo. Oi lo ku kuli e jamu. Alu ya fa like ka bit.
Yeah, the results are there.
Yeah, 100%.
Thanks, Jamu.
Yeah, thank you, man. Really awesome.
Yeah.
Your number 1 hit music station. On my station.
All right, we got a couple more.
Okay, for the financing option, give me 2 requirements needed.
Okay, 2 requirements to get financing. Hello?
Yep. What's the question again, please?
So I mentioned like 4 requirements. Can you give me 2 requirements for the financing option?
You need 2 guarantors and 2 valid ID.
2 guarantors and 2 valid IDs?
Yep.
Nope. You almost got it right. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, let's get to you. Hello? Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, go ahead.
You need a confirmation letter and your 2 recent payslips.
1 confirmation letter and your 2 recent
payslips.
pay slips. Okay. And where do you work, young lady?
No, I'm a stay at home now.
Oh, you're stay-at-home mom. Oh, good on you. That's really important too. Lela va fai ka ngā mea. Fufuru ipu, salu de fale. Man, that's a lot of work being a housewife.
Yeah, it is.
Cook the food,
So it's much more harder than
going to work.
going to
Yeah, I
work.
think so too. Yeah, I keep telling Olga, you know, I should stay home and you go to work. And she goes, go ahead. I go, maybe not. What's your number?
Fitono tasi. Tasi ono tasi fa.
Tasi ono, tasi fa. Fia mo melanga ya, oi?
Tasi.
Tasi ala numero. Yeah, 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good.
Good, gracias.
Okay.
Okay, so last question is true or false? Okay. Do you need a guarantor for the financing option?
Do you need a guarantor for financing option? Okay.
Yes.
And
No.
True or false?
Yeah. True or false?
True or false? Hello, morning.
Morning.
Yeah.
True?
She said true. Is it true? Okay, congratulations. What's your number?
757
757
5091.
5091. Okay, congratulations. You're our lucky last.
I paid off.
Ja, maar laat me eens vragen. Did you say vragen? Kilo, ko kapede ngon mo kaida. Karaka le falo alo.
You didn't say any.
Yeah, mas vragen. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning. Yeah. To faso I fua. So, vale,
De la kiri va kun ko kofe mo ko pancake. Now, all right, well that wraps it up.
Yeah. So on behalf of our CEO, Mr. Ranan Bose, executives and the whole Vodafone family, we would like to thank every Samoan and visitor on the island for their continuous support in utilizing our services. But hey, if you missed out on our show this morning, make sure to tune in next week, same time, same place. Thank you so much, Corey, for having me.
You're welcome, Nicole. Always a pleasure to have you. You have got such a golden personality that makes it really easy. You're like one of my favorite people to have on the radio.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
You're the best one from Vodafone. All those other girls that come along, tell them don't come back. Only you.
I'm pretty sure they're listening. I know. But yeah, it's always fun coming every morning here.
All right. Thank you, Nicole.
All right. Thank you. And may everyone tuning in have a lovely day today. So as you too.
Thank you, Nicole.
So, Nicole, so if we were wanting to buy the iPhone, how much discount would you give us?
Yeah,
oh, really? You don't from no
Okay, thank you.
Let's get here, like say, 3,000. Oh, okay, yeah, we'll
be there.
We'll be there.
Oh, there.
All right, Lifey, what are your plans for today?
Well, I just gotta go and sort out my workers and and see what they're doing. Get our drink. So if anybody want to drink,
man.
Did you get your 2 bottles?
Lei.
What do you mean, Lei? You're lying because you want some more, huh?
I do.
It's the
really
best.
Good. You see, you know what's really helped is my joints.
Yeah.
You know, it's. I struggle with my joints, but after drinking, because I'm drinking,
Yeah.
you know, I don't feel too much pain anymore in my
because
joints.
of the anti-inflammatory or the turmeric, and that's the reason why it's so powerful to help with, especially arthritis, and all people who already have arthritis. And
Would you stop looking at me like I got arthritis?
I think you have. I think that's what we're going to talk about more. How to cure your arthritis. So yes, all the lucky food towns as well. So
I know there's some at Te Wheeler's gym.
Yeah, the gym's got it.
Last time I went to the gym was like 2 weeks ago.
All the Frankie stores sells it, and
How about at Farmer Joe?
actually they haven't actually asked.
You gotta go to Farmer Joe, man. They'll be on the radio tomorrow morning.
Okay, well tell them.
What do you mean tell them? You go tell them. Oh no, actually, since they're here, I'm gonna tell. Why don't you come on the show tomorrow and we'll both tell them?
Yeah, exactly. So, but yeah, all the stores, even Pharmacy Maria's got it.
Do you know how much they retail your bottle for? Is it one standard price for all
I think
shops?
almost, I think different.
Or
But I mean, like they're not that expensive anymore where I used to. Well, put it this way: if I sell my drink in Australia, like the 2-liter bottles, it's 79 Australian dollars.
Allah.
Yeah. That's my retail.
That's for the 2-liter bottle.
The 2 liters.
But how much is the ones you sell here in
it's
the
just a
wine bottle, huh?
But because the wine bottle is like it's not a expensive product to find, because we just go and collect the wine bottles and then so that's why we keep it very much locally.
All right, your news is next with Pacific Forum Line, and then after that it's your exchange rates.